Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking. Back here again with Blake Nelson from Spanish Fork High School. We're here to make the second part in our rocking chair making series. What are we working on today, Blake?
So today we're going to do the back leg of the rocking chair and show you how that basically cuts out on the machine.
Awesome. Why don't I step out of the way and let you get it all set up?
Okay, so we're going to take the blank here, and you'll notice that we're using the double-sided door fixture. I chose this because it's a nice hold down for basically wedging and holding this up. We are going to cut a pocket here on the end that's basically going to hold our rocker we made last time. It's going to create a pocket for the straddle here. So we're going to go ahead and put this in and get it set up, and then we'll get cutting. So like I say, we cut a shim here on the side. We're going to use the wedges, put it in here and just hold it nice and tight. Okay, so that's not going anywhere now. So our home position on this is going to be right here in the bottom left hand corner and on top of material surface. So I'll go ahead and get that set up and we'll get running.
All right, the first step of the leg is done. Blake, tell us about the next step.
So we're going to go ahead and cut the profile of these legs out. We're going to have about a 3 to 5 degree taper on the back end of this. So we're going to take these and book match them and lay them over accordingly to make a right and the left side and use the codes that correlate to it.
All right, the legs are done. Blake, why don't you explain to us why they needed to be book matched?
So because we're leaning these back, you can see orientation is going to matter on the book match. Left and right, saddle pockets, the whole bit make a difference, but it will add some comfort to these chairs and make them better.
All right, with the back legs done, Blake, what's our next step?
Our next step is going to be the front legs. So we're going to just keep continuing down the sides and keep working our way up the sides.
Awesome, thanks. Thank you guys for coming out and spending time with us. Make sure to like, subscribe, and get ready to watch the next one. Thanks. See you soon.